This is going to be an exciting one today. These two little gadgets arrived in the post yesterday. So today we're going to attempt a strainer pour. All the paints are mixed. Everything's ready to go. Sticking much with the same colours as I did with my last pour. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, starting with white, I'm going to cover the entire board. This. I'll place these onto my canvas and then I can start my pour. I'm going to follow a similar pattern. Alright, well I'm happy with that at that point. I'm going to give it a torch now. Let's see what we can do with the cells. I tried something a little different today, and as much as I've put a couple of drops of argan oil into the white paint, and I can see that I'm getting much larger cells over this white area. All coming to life now. Okay, well I'm happy with that. I've not quite achieved with the strainer's pour what I wanted to, so be sure to watch the next video and I'll hopefully get it right then.